Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have a cute little Valentine's Day card for you guys today, and I made it using some cardstock. This is an alabaster cardstock and a pink sand cardstock from Spellbinders, and then that pink vellum is from Amazon. It's Paper Junkie, and I'm just putting this all together. These stickers came from the My Valentine collection from Simple Stories, and I am going to put this all together so you guys can see this beautiful little card that I made. Now, these supplies I've had for a while, so they may not be available to you, but you can certainly use any Valentine's printed paper that you have to cut out a tag and whatever colors that you want of cardstock and add it to your card in the same layout, and voila, you'll have your own card. Now, this is some vellum tape that I'm using. Since this vellum is transparent, you can usually see the adhesive through it, but it does a pretty good job of not being very visible, and the fact that the vellum is pink also helps a lot. I think clear or frosted vellum would probably show that adhesive a little bit more, even though it's designed not to really show through. Now, I did put that tag down, but I needed to take it back off because I wanted to put these beautiful iridescent borders. These are stickers. They're called peel-off stickers. They're from a maker called From Lizi, and she's in the UK, so if you do decide to order these, you'll have to obviously pay extra shipping and things like that, but I definitely think they're worth it. They come in so many different colors and designs. They have holographic ones, iridescent ones, glitter ones. They also have solid ones, gold and silver, and all kinds of colors. So you might want to check that out if you're interested. Okay, so now I'm just using those stickers from Simple Stories, the My Valentine collection, and putting those on that little scallop circle that I cut out of vellum. And now I'm adding this beautiful Valentine's Day ribbon. And I'm going to add some puffy stickers here. These I think I picked up at Walmart. These are all different kinds of hearts with different patterns and designs on them. And I'm just choosing to lay out 5 of them. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a brush marker to go over this word adore you. I liked it, but I just felt like it wasn't very visible. It wasn't quite as dark as that So Sweet, and I wanted to stand out. So that is my card for today. I hope you had fun. If you did, give me a like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye-bye.